Take a look at all of these beautiful lifestyle images that I've created with AI, and they look better than a $10,000 photo shoot. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to create the highest quality lifestyle images. So right here within Instant, the AI content studio built for e-commerce, we can create a pack shot and or lifestyle images. So let's go for lifestyle images. First things first is uploading a product, and we can upload any image that we have taken, or we can select assets from our Shopify store. So when you've connected your Shopify store to Instant, you can see all of your product images right here. For now, let's do something else. Let's go to the Rode webshop, and then we simply grab a screenshot from this product right here, and then we drag it into the prompt box. There we go. Next up, we can select a scene. We have a bunch of different scenes that we can choose from. We can also create our own, but let's start with selecting a preset, and let's select biting down. Now let's select a person. We can choose between females and males. Now let's select Astrid right here. We set the ratio to 1:1, and the Gemini 3 Pro model for the best overall quality is great. So now let's generate and see what comes out. And there we go. The first beautiful lifestyle image has just been generated, and this looks super, super nice. Also, the product that we have uploaded, which was just a screenshot, is intact. When we enlarge the image, we can also see how good the quality actually is. And this is looking super, super nice. Now let's do something else. Let's select a different preset. Let's go for macro beauty. And then we add something to the prompt box. Let's say applying the lip balm product to her lips. There we go. Let's click on generate. And image number 2 has been created, and this is looking very, very nice. It looks exactly like the preset we have just selected. Now let's do something else. Let's click on edit with AI, which will add this image to our prompt box. And then let's say keep everything the same, only change the model. And then let's select a different model. Let's select Nia, and we click on generate. And there we go. We have another image. And this is a great way to turn one product photo into a consistent library of the same photos, but then with different models. Now let's do something completely different. Let's reset the entire prompt box, and let's just type something in right here. Let's say model is laying on the beach and is applying lip balm to her lips with natural light and a grainy effect. That's it. The only thing we will do is select the person. Let's select Astrid again and upload our image again. That one right there. So just a prompt, and let's click on generate. And there we have it, another beautiful image with exactly what we said in our prompt. The model Astrid is laying on the beach and is applying the lip balm to her lips. We can see the product, which is super, super nice. She's laying on the beach. There's natural light and a nice grainy high fashion effect. Now let's select a scene again. Let's for this time do the elevator selfie, something completely different from the beach. There we go. And then the prompt is just applying lip balm to her lips. There we go. Let's set the ratio to 1:1 and let's generate. And there we go, another beautiful image now with the elevator selfie. And the beauty of Instant Studio is that you don't have to waste hours and hundreds of dollars on AI credits and figuring out what type of prompt actually works for your store. Because with Instant Studio, as you've just seen in the last couple of minutes, it's super easy to create whatever you want. And now we've done it with a lip balm product, but you can do it with any product that you want. So let's upload a new image. Let's do it with a piece of clothing this time, this sweater right here. We delete the scene and the person. Now let's select a new scene. Let's go for the ombre studio, and then for the person, let's select a male, and then let's select this guy right here and click on generate. And here we have a beautiful fashion photo with the sweater we've just uploaded. The sweater is also an image I just took from the internet, and we turned it into a super high quality studio image that you can use on your store, in your ads, wherever. And we can repeat the same trick over and over. We can select different scenes, different models. We can add more information to the prompt box or generate an entire scene from scratch from the prompt box and literally generate anything you want. So that's how I use AI and Instant Studio to create the highest quality studio images. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on using AI for your e-commerce brand.